In this video, we will learn how to create a numbered list in Microsoft Word. Hello, my name is Mark, and you are watching the Office Master tutorial. Office Master is here to help you learn how to use Microsoft Office in quick and simple step-by-step tutorials. Numbered lists are helpful when creating a list that suggests a particular chronology, the order of items, or a step-by-step process. We have various options on creating a numbered list, but we will show you today's two most straightforward ways. First, place your cursor where you want your numbered list to begin. The first option to create a numbered list is to type 1, a period, and press the space bar. You can also type 1 and the right parentheses, and then press the space bar, and Word will make a numbered list. Now you can type your first list item into the numbered list. Let us say head and press the Enter key on our keyboard. Word will move the cursor to the following line, starting with a new numbered point. You can then type the second list item, in this case, shoulders, into the numbered list and continue until your numbered list is complete. To complete your list, you double press Enter and you will see that the numbering switches off and your cursor moves from the list. The second way to create a numbered list is to navigate to the Home tab in the ribbon. Look for the paragraph group and select the option Numbering. When you click on the down arrow next to Numbering, you can find different numbering styles in the Numbering library. You choose the numbering style that suits you the best, and in this video, we will go for the first numbering with a period in the end. Now you can type your first list item into the numbered list. Let us say head and press the Enter on your keyboard. Word will move the cursor to the following line, starting with a new numbered point. You type a second list item, in this case, shoulders, into the numbered list, and you can continue until your list is complete. To complete your list, you double press Enter and you can see that the numbering switches off and your cursor moves from the list. To create a list from existing text, you highlight the text you want to change into a list. Then navigate to the Home tab in the ribbon and select Numbering in the paragraph group. If you found this tutorial helpful, reward us with a like. Is this your first time on our YouTube channel? We would be more than grateful to welcome you to our community, so hit the subscribe button to enjoy more of our videos and learn how to master Word. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.